Oh, hello everybody. Welcome to Best Recipes with Sharon. Today we're going to be making my version of $1 Million Spaghetti Casserole. This casserole has a pasta that's tossed in a hearty meat sauce, and it's layered with several types of cheese and baked till it's golden. My new apron on. Look at this. Somebody special made that for me.
Aw, was it me?
So thank you to my daughter-in-law Lisa. So I'm all set to get started here. Let's get right to the recipe. So take a sweet onion and chop it finely. You'll need about 2/3 of a cup. Use a large frying pan and place about 2 teaspoons of olive oil in it. Turn your heat on high and add your chopped onions. Stir and saute the onions until they're translucent. And then we'll need some pasta. So here we're starting with some spaghetti. And we'll just pinch up a bunch and then measure it. It should measure about 1.5 inches across. Then place it in a large pot of boiling water. Then remove the casing off of 5 mild Italian sausages and place the meat from this in a small bowl. And now that you have that ready, just add about 1 pound of lean ground beef to the sauteed onions and break it up into smaller pieces. I like to use lean ground beef. Then add the sausage meat to the ground beef and also break that up into smaller pieces. So then we go ahead and add 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. Next, add about 1/2 teaspoon of salt and pepper and 2 cups of marinara sauce. And then I add 2 cups of diced tomatoes. I like this in the casserole because it adds a little bit of texture and flavor. Now then, add about 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Keep your eye on the spaghetti and make sure that you only cook it till al dente, so that it's just tender, and that's it. Drain off the water and set it aside. Now then, let's mix together 4 cheeses so we can have a nice layer in this casserole. Add 8 ounces of cream cheese to your mixing bowl. Then add 1/2 cup of ricotta cheese and also 1/2 cup of cottage cheese. And then 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese. Then add 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning and make sure it's mixed in well. And now it's time to build the casserole. Then slice some butter and place it in the bottom of your casserole dish. Then take the meat sauce and add it to the spaghetti. Mix it together really well and add about 1/2 of it to the bottom of the casserole dish. Spread the meat sauce and spaghetti evenly in the bottom of the casserole dish, and you're only using about 1/2 of it to start. Then simply add your cheese mixture on top of this. This is going to add a flavor that'll be really unique, and you'll find it quite enjoyable if you like cheeses at all. Add the other half of the spaghetti and meat sauce on top of the cheese layer. Then spread it out nice and evenly. Add 2 cups of shredded double cheddar cheese. This will be so good. Then bake it in a 350-degree oven for about 20 minutes or until it's golden brown on top. The cheese should be nicely melted and browned up well. After I've baked it for about 20 minutes, I usually broil it also for about 3 or 4 minutes just to make sure it's nicely browned. And I hope you liked this video. If you do, please like and subscribe, and thanks so much for watching.